Sitting side lateral raises, starting out without weights and then adding just a couple pounds of weight after a couple weeks is one of the best strengthening exercises to get your shoulders open and then release your neck. You see, your neck is a follower, your shoulders are the leader. So if you want to get out of pain in your neck, you got to release the shoulders and get your shoulders to be in balance and back. So sitting side lateral raises, you'll sit in a chair, feet pointed straight ahead, ankles, knees, and hips lined up. Make sure your hips are in line with your knees in your chair. With a straight arm, you're going to come straight out. Don't bend your elbow. And at shoulder height, go palms up. And do about 3 sets of 10 of these to 3 sets of 20. Don't bend your elbows. Keep your arms fully locked, fully straight. When you're above your shoulders, rotate palms up. Below your shoulders, palms down. But make sure you're sitting with good alignment with your ears, shoulders, and hips lined up. Do not lean forward. Do not lean back. Make sure you're vertically aligned. Add a weight after a few weeks of doing this. You'll be amazed how difficult it is and how effective with only a couple pounds of weights in either hand. Okay?